to Makeup Hour and Fun. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial, so let's get started. So, I don't know if I told you this story. I think I have, but yeah. So, this Nivea cream, next to my desk where I like most of the time do my makeup videos. Like, not most of the time, just sometimes I would do my makeup videos there. But yeah. In the corner area, I found this cream and I thought it was finished. So on the floor, I think on the corner area, I thought it was finished. So I used the Tepe Curl lotion. I thought it was fine, even though it was body lotion. But I realized I'm not going to do it. But if you want to do it, then it's fine. And I checked in here and it's actually got more in it. I think I've told you that story because it happened quite a bit ago. And this is how much I'm using. So we're going to start off. I have a new way. I just rub it into my hands and then just go fully like that. And also, I don't do all of my makeup videos on my desk. In fact, I do little on my desk, not much on my desk. Sometimes I do it. Like, sometimes a video will be all over the place. Like, sometimes when I make my videos, it will be on my desk or anywhere else. There's so much more places it can be. And some of the places I make my videos, I don't even know I'm going to make my videos yet. Like, what I mean to say is, like, whatever. I'm getting confused. Okay, so here is the Naked Foundation. I don't know if you know what I just said, but if you don't, it's fine. I like using Naked Foundation with a sponge because since I got these sponges, I just really like to use foundation because I love using sponges. And also, I don't really need it under my eyes for some, but I like to use it under my eyes. If I'm going to put on foundation, then I put it everywhere because just makes it, then you can more blend it in with your skin, because I think that if you didn't do it under your eyes, then you'd have like a different shade there. So like, even if you don't have purple, then I just think it's a good idea to do it there as well, because then you can actually see that it's like not really, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but yes. So next we are going to be using the Ultimate Radiance. The lid fell off. I think I've told you that, but yeah. Okay, I'm going to be using this brush, and I want to go for natural color, so I'm going to be using this peach. Let's do my eyes, and the kind of way I'm doing it is like just like that. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so now that I've done the eyes, it turned out very nice. I'm peach. I forgot to do setting powder, and I do like doing setting powder after foundation because it just kind of does it well. So I'm just going to use some of this, and then I'll go on some glitter, because even if we're doing natural, I feel like doing glitter is like a very good idea. So this is like the only setting powder I really want to use because it's just really good, and it really like helps the foundation just like there. So here it is, recommend. And now I'm going to do some glitter. This you've probably seen it before in my videos, Girls Rod and Thingy, I don't even know. And I'm going to be using this smaller brush. It's just like the smaller one, and I'm going to be using this like goldenish color. I don't even know what color that is, but it's the one that my brush is pointing to. So yeah, oh, that's a lot. I think I'm gonna have to split that with my hands. Is a great way to do it. Gonna blend it in. Okay, so here's how it looks. Just got the glitter. So now I'm going to be doing highlighter. I don't always do highlighter, but here's the highlighter I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be using this brush, and I want to do for pink. Just kind of like that, and then the brown kind of around my nose. And this is just pretty random, just on my forehead. Maybe you do that as well. I'm kind of just like a mixture of all the colors. So now I'm going to do some blush and some bronzer. So this, whoa. Okay, so here is the bronzer. I'm going to be doing it. My mother is going to be upset because this is my mother's, and I kind of just got my nail in it. I don't think my mother will care because like it's not like it just, you can't use it anymore. But I did just get my nail in it. So I don't think my mother will get upset. Yeah, my mother won't. But if I really dug my nails in there, she might. But good thing I didn't. So my mother won't get mad. Okay, so now we are going to use the same highlighter brush. Just because I think it's a really good idea. Okay, so now that I've done that, I want to do some blush. So I think you guys know what blush I'm going to do. It's pretty obvious, pretty obvious. I'm going to be doing, let me show you. Well, you'd only know this if you've been watching my videos. The Sleek blush. It's getting really dirty. Okay, so I'm going to get this little blush brush. I love how you say blush brush. And just swipe it and just get it in. And I like to change the brush because this is very pink. Recommend it, but it's very pink. So I like to change the brush so the rest of the pink doesn't go on my face. So that, it's just, very good and just perfect. Okay. So now that I have blended it in, I'm going to use mascara since I forgot to use it. No, I'm not going to use it today, actually. So the last thing I'm going to be doing is the lipstick. And for the lipstick, I decided to do this lipstick. I just think it is a very natural color. And I'm also going to be mixing it in with this one because this is just gives a shimmer to your lips, but it's very natural. So let's just put this on. Here is the final look. It's just got my shimmery eyes, and it's kind of natural, but you can definitely still see it. It's very shimmery. I love the two lipsticks. Definitely probably going to do that again, because if you have these two lipsticks, I definitely advise to do that because it just makes this natural shimmer to your lips, and I really like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Did I just say that again? If you watch my last video, then you'll see I said. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.